Greetings. Today's topic is when I started traveling on the package holiday airline, the price was £300 cheaper than the other airlines. We'll be discussing the above topic in today's presentation. First, let me request please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing today's video. Also, feel free to take part in the discussions below. Points discussed today are 1. Package airline flights used to be cheaper than standard airlines. 2. Package airline need to go to other airports in Jamaica to bring down flights only tickets. 3. The government need to build more airports in Jamaica to bring down airfares to Jamaica. And 4th, the government need to create franchises for all regions of Jamaica and not just the North Coast. 30 years ago, some specialist package holiday airline flights were 20% to 30% empty from the UK to Jamaica. It was almost all Europeans going to all-inclusive hotels in Montego Bay or Ocho Rios who were on these flights. I've discovered this type of travel to Jamaica in about 2003. Then when I walk onto the plane, I realized that there were only 3 or 4 Jamaicans on a plane of about 300 people. Previously, I've traveled on British Airways and Virgin Atlantic, not to mention Air Jamaica, who used to have dozens of Jamaicans on each flight. The package holiday airline used to sell their available seats at a 30% to 50% less than what the other airlines were charging for flight-only tickets to Jamaica. The package holiday airlines no longer has available seats to sell at discounted prices for 2 reasons. Firstly, there are too much all-inclusive hotels crammed in a small area in the northwest of Jamaica, mainly in Montego Bay. Then because all-inclusive hotels are using the same airport in Montego Bay, those flights by the package holiday airline are now operating at almost full capacity. Secondly, as more diasporas had discovered the bargain airline on the package holidays, that had resulted in demands outstripping supply. Then high airfares is the end product. What Jamaica need now are new all-inclusive hotels in a different region of Jamaica and a new airport to serve that other part of Jamaica. Then, when that other region of Jamaica become half as successful as St. James, the government just move to another area of Jamaica and do the same again, etc. This will cause the Jamaican GDP to start growing by at least 10% per annum for the next 10 years and for the foreseeable future. I could give lots of examples of the evolution of traveling to Jamaica where plane tickets are concerned. Anyways, it was the hoteliers who were making the deals with the airlines. It was not the Jamaican government. Hence, all the government need to do now is to create some more hotel franchise in all regions of Jamaica. Then build the next airport in the region with the most visitors first. Then build another airport in the region where it's needed, etc. Not only will the above approach work with all-inclusive hotels, it will also work to bring airfares down. This is because airlines traveling to the new airport in another region of Jamaica will not be as crammed as the airlines traveling to Montego Bay Airport. This will lead to flight-only passengers getting a better deal from the airline traveling to Jamaica. Overall, plane fares have not risen that much for the over 30 years since I've been traveling between the UK and Jamaica. It's just that people are going to choose the cheapest options available when they are traveling. They don't care much about airfare has not increased in the past 30 to 35 years. They are just looking for the best current available price air tickets. Between 1990 and 2000, I used to travel on British Airways, Air Jamaica, and later Virgin Atlantic. However, in 2003, while searching online, I discovered Thomson Travel, now called TUI. They were charging up to £300 less than what the British Airways or Virgin Atlantic were charging. However, that has changed now. They are almost charging the same as other airlines now because more diasporas have discovered them as everyone is booking flights online now. TUI is a package holiday specialist. 20 years ago, there were almost on every high street in in the UK, sometimes having 2 or 3 shops on one street. When I used to go into their shops on the high street, they were not interested in flights only tickets. However, a few weeks before departure, they would advertise their vacant seats online at a much lower price than one would pay to travel by BA or Virgin, etc. 20 years ago. The Jamaican Minister of Tourism seems to be just happy with a little growth here or there every year. The ministry is making so much noise for the growth they had from 2021 to 2022 that it is becoming a mockery, in my opinion. Jamaica was not even among a number of Caribbean countries to have recovered their tourism numbers in 2022. The growth that the ministry is boasting about in 2022 is not actually a growth from pre-COVID numbers. It was a partial recovery of the pre-COVID-19 number of visitors, though the actual income from tourism was slightly above pre-COVID-19 figures. I'm hoping to see the day when the Jamaican politicians will stop dumbing down the Jamaican people, especially when it comes to campaigning leading up to a general election. Both the two main political parties are guilty of this over the decades since independence. My hope is that both the two main political parties will be debating how they are going to start increasing the Jamaican economy by double-digit growth over the next 10 years and beyond. However, I'll be doing a separate video on this issue in due course. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to support this channel and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless our Prime Minister and the Jamaican government. And God bless Jamaica.